am Dr. Daljit Kaur, Gokashu University, Bathinda, Punjab. Today I warmly welcome you to this online course on Mathematics for Sustainable Living Practical Application in Daily Life. Many people think that math is just numbers, formula in books, but actually math is everywhere in our daily life. It helps us plan our time, save money, and make smart choice for the future. Math silently help us our daily activities. The objective of this course is to highlight how math can make our life balanced and more sustainable. In this 4-week MOOC, you will learn the role of mathematics in our environment. Math practically our daily decision making, data literacy, how read, understand and apply numbers in our daily life, future ready to life skills, balanced and more sustainable. Dear friend, this is not just a course, it is a journey towards better lifestyle. The lifestyle where math becomes your guide to live smart choice, save resource and contribute towards a bright and more sustainable futures. So get ready to see mathematics in new light. Welcome once again, Mathematics for Sustainable Living. Thank you.